Hello everyone. Welcome to Grabamil World. Grabamil is a project on decentralized meal sharing with the help of blockchain technologies. If you want to know more about the project, kindly visit grabamil.world/ICO. Here you will find the brief description about Grabamil, that what this particular project is trying to solve the problem, that burning problem of current world, and how it is taking the advantage of the blockchain technology to establish this decentralized meal sharing system. So let us first understand what is Grabamil. Grabamil is a decentralized peer-to-peer meal sharing platform for food lovers. Sellers will be able to put their passion and care in the food they make for buyers who seek homely and affordable food with minimum intermediation, low cost, and higher value. So basically, Grabamil aims to solve the problem of the food sharing or meal sharing system. Here, it will take the advantage of the decentralized system of blockchain and will establish one peer-to-peer connection. Now, here there will be two parties. One is seller, another is buyer. They can communicate directly peer to peer. Means there will be no intermediaries or very minimum intermediation that will be needed for auditing purpose to look at that what the seller and buyer is doing and what are the legitimate options to avail this particular service. So for that things very less number of or minimum intermediation is needed. So whenever there is less intermediation or about to zero intermediation, then definitely there will be the cost will be less between two parties because they are interacting among each other. Now, Grabamil is not only the system of decentralized peer-to-peer meal sharing. It is just one part, and definitely to establish this platform it will build on the blockchain technology because blockchain is the most suitable technology which will give this platform of decentralization where one party can communicate with another party directly, peer to peer communication. Now let's explain the concept. So here in this concept, if you run this video, then you will see that yes, how one buyer and one seller currently in this world right now they are facing the problem. The seller can't think that where I can sell or which community I should contact, where I should go. So there is a burning problem. But Grabamil is giving the platform for the sellers that yes, the affordable home cooked food or any specialized food you can sell over here and you can sell it directly to the buyer. So you have a platform for the seller. Grabamil is a great platform where they can earn something by leveraging their passion for cooking. They can start their new business. They can see a new life. Okay. So there are several advantages which coming one after another as a chain. And for the buyers, there are different advantages that they can communicate with the seller, they can exchange the money with the seller, peer to peer communication over here. And they will also get all the information about the seller, that whether the food is authentic or not. And there are different protocols available inside Grabamil. It is a very complex that GAM-DI protocol for the dispute resolution. There are different rating mechanisms available, and there are different things at which will help the buyer that yes, I can get that particular food and it is purely authentic. and I am getting all the information which is not a spam. So every information will be authentic and all the transactions will be stored inside the immutable shared ledger, which is leveraged by the blockchain technology. So definitely anytime the audit trail can be possible, and for that particular seller they have to pass some kind of KYC or some kind of regulations over here to come and join this platform, and everything will be written inside the immutable shared ledger of blockchain. So definitely there is a transparency, there is a trust established between buyer and seller, because whenever we are going to any restaurant, that should be trustworthy. What we are eating, what we are going to eat or drink something, that information is needed. So the reputation is needed. So here in Grabemil, if you are good, building the reputation is great. Means you can build your reputation very promptly because everything is transparent. But here there is no chance for the scammers, for different providers who try to give low quality food or don't try to maintain the standard and cheat the sellers. It is not for that. Okay, so definitely seller will be authentic, and in this particular platform seller can sell their authentic food and buyer can verify it very easily over here. So this is the main concept of Grabamil, but behind this there are different protocols available, different technologies are involved, many complex tools are involved behind this to make this system perfect. There are different business modules also available inside Grabamil, like Mill Finder, Grabamil Events, GAM token commerce, and Grabamil trade. So there are four business models. First of all, there is Mill Finder system. Mill Finder system enables the buyers to order the right meal. Grabamil protocols will be implemented to ensure user identification, review, feedback using blockchain smart contracts, incentive allocation, and dispute management. The module will use advanced artificial intelligence based algorithms and blockchain to ensure trust through ongoing reputation and dispute management functions. So, whatever I have mentioned, there are different protocols available inside Grabamil, like dispute management. There are incentive allocations, and there are how you can find your meal. There are artificial intelligence enabled system. So definitely the meal finder business module will leverage all the things: artificial intelligence, blockchain, in-house protocol of GAM, like GAM DI, dispute resolution protocol. So this is the high level idea of the Mill Finder business module. Next, there is Grabamil events. So seller and the third party supplier will use the platform for events and promotions. So definitely if you want to sell something, you have to give do some promotion, you have to do some events. Grabamil will produce, Grabamil will give that particular platform so that you can promote your food, you can promote your idea, and you can take the feedback from the buyer so that you can enhance your business. So it is all about doing the business, enhancing your business. That's why the Grabamil events are there. After that, there is a GAM token commerce. So the utility token of this Gravamil platform is GAM. So if you hold this GAM token and you have the significant number of GAM tokens, then definitely it will give a big advantage in the total Gravable platform. You can be a seller. You can buy this particular food or the meal from a seller as a buyer. You can buy it. Okay, and if you have the GAM tokens, you will get some kind of advantages. You can get some kind of discounts over here. So this is the full GAM token commerce, and you have to create the GAM token amount to participate, to transact. And the module will enable redemption of rewards and incentive received as per rules. So there are different incentive mechanisms also available that we will discuss in details later. But definitely that if you sell something, or if you gain much reputation from the all the buyers, then the Grabable system will automatically incentivize you via the GAM tokens. And you can use only GAM token. If you use only the GAM token, then definitely the platform can be used. But initially you can use fiat and GAM both. But later, if you use the GAM token, then definitely it will be the advantages. There are different advantages. The incentivize mechanisms will enhance you. You can promote more better as a premium member. So like that. And there is a Grabamil trade. The platform will include the suppliers of ingredients and cooking materials by the retailers and the traders qualified by the experts. So for the meal sharing, you need to cook. So for that, different ingredients you need, and you need some cooking materials, etc. So you can trade over there. So sellers have a different perspective in the Grabamil platform, that you can sell that thing also. And the and the seller who are selling, they can also buy from there, that yes, I want to start my restaurant, I need these things, where I should go, I have to arrange it. No problem, come to Grabamil trade platform and you will get all the information. So these are the basically four modules. And how Grabamil works, it is a very nice infographic presented by the Grabamil team. First of all, the sellers and the buyers register on Grabamil platform, and it is a decentralized blockchain enabled. Now, the second point is the seller lists the cuisine they love to make on our meal sharing site. They have mentioned. And the third point is very funny. The buyers choose their favorite meal and make booking on the meal sharing platform. You can see the picture. It is really this person is very happy that they have booked the meal sharing and his favorite meal. And there is no lack of trust, and you don't need to think about the quality, because everything will be passed by via the Gravamil protocol. If any dispute, anything is there, then definitely you will get the provenance of it. You can see it. After that, you can choose it. Okay. So this is the point three, and the point four is the meet the great chef and enjoy good times with great taste. So finally, you have tasted the food which is provided by the Gravamil platform, and you have no thinking behind your mind that how the food is, from where I have bought, or whether I will get sick or not. No, definitely you have buy something, you can review it, and definitely that review will be stored into the blockchain. Nobody can modify it, even not the Gravamil team. This is not in their hand. Okay. So the basically this is the very high level steps that how the Gravamil will work. We will discuss the modules in more details, and how we will go into the details of the Gravamil full working platform later. But right now, I hope that you guys have understood that how the Gravamil system works, the high level idea. So kindly tune in this particular URL, that is gravamil.world/ICO, to more about this project. Okay. Thank you. See you again.